What's up, guys? It's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365, and yikes, look who we have here. It literally looks like a plant boneyard after picking a little bit here, picking a little bit there, and then kind of not, taking a break from the veggies. This is what you have. Hey, today is January 25th, Friday. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Oh, sorry about that. I was swaying back and forth. I know some of you guys keep commenting. You're like, hey, can you please calm that thing down? Can you stop moving all that around? But check me out. Do I look? Hey, there it is. Thumbnail. How was that boneyard pick? Oh, God. Look at this thing. This is what happens, guys, when you kind of have too much veg. And this isn't too much, it's just sometimes it's just, I don't know what it is. When I have this abundance of lettuce at my disposal, I don't take advantage of it as often as I want. Now I don't know exactly why that is, but it's weird. Like, this piece is beautiful. Look at this piece. Isn't that nice? That's a good looking piece of lettuce, and it's still crispy too. Hear that? That's nice. A lot of this is still beautiful, live, vibrant lettuce that is full of life. I mean, this is just beautiful stuff. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look how, oh my God. I might actually eat this right now for a quick little salad. But the thing is, you know what's weird? You know what I'm trying to figure out is, as soon as you rip these off, and if you don't eat them in just a little bit of time, they get wilted. They get wilted. They die. The life force leaves the vegetables. That's going to be the title of this video. The life force leaves these vegetables. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. It really is. Look at that transparency. I love it. I mean, this is a good piece of lettuce. I'm out here to try to eat it as soon as I'm done this video. Figure out what I want to do here. Probably the next week or so, I'm going to be chopping all of this down, getting rid of it, and starting a new grow. That's really all I could say about this stuff. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Mike. I'm an indoor gardener, hydroponic. This is my setup. Okay, this is what we do. Time after time, just sharing my ability to grow indoors, and hopefully you guys are trying to grow as well, and hopefully you guys are having the same success as I do. I never miss a grow. As soon as I put those seeds in, I'm able to capitalize on those seeds immediately. And rest assured, seeds are only good for about a year, so if you're buying seeds there, you have a higher probability of them actually not germinating after a year. They just kind of die out, they dry out. Even if you keep them in a good place and you keep them in secured in like a little bag or whatnot, not all of them will germinate. So you want to make sure that annually you're getting some fresh seeds to maintain a really nice, beautiful crop. I mean, I could tell you right now, this kind of looks scary, doesn't it? I really have to get some fresh seeds, and I will be. Once again, if you're new to the channel, down below is all the stuff that I use, from the reservoirs, tubing, the pumps, the fans, the lights, this entire setup, the grow tent. The cat is not included, but everything that you see here, in the next week or two, I'll probably be posting up a whole new video on a brand new grow. And I'm thinking of incorporating, now that we're in, approaching February, I think it's time to start, it's that time of the year where I like to grow some basil, because I'm doing a little caprese salads, a little mozzarella, a little basil, a little tomato. Those are some of the things that I like to grow. This is kind of, I don't know what else to grow. If you guys have some comments down below on what you would like to see me grow indoors, I'm going to do it. I mean, God, a year ago I grew an entire broccoli plant, which was ridiculous. I mean, the head of the broccoli, it was delicious, it was wonderful, but it did stink a little bit because broccoli has that smell. But it was interesting to be able to actually grow it inside. It's like some vegetables that you actually just you don't realize that they're capable of being grown indoors. I never even touched this plant right here. Look at this thing. This thing looks great too. This is I don't even know which one this is. Let me try it. I know you guys hate hearing me chew. Hopefully it's not too loud. That was not too bad. But at this level, I mean, like, the plants have had it. Look at this. This is how it grows, kind of all curled up. It's incredible. I mean, look at this. Look at this foundation for the plant. It's unbelievable that we can grow and sustain this kind of environment inside our houses. And yeah, you know, I also heard some other comments like hydroponics is not sustainable. You know, when we talk about seed as the next currency, hydroponics is not sustainable because, you know, if things go crazy in the world, and you never know, they could, and let's say we all lose electricity, yeah, hydroponics would be difficult. Though, yeah, basically you wouldn't be able to grow unless you have solar. That way you could actually, I don't know. I've always been searching for quite a while onto setting up just an experiment on a small solar grow. How much energy can the solar grow? You know, how much energy does it need to get to the light, to get to the pump? Those are the two things that you really need. I mean, let's say it came down to it. We just need this pump to be able to do one reservoir. With one reservoir, we'll be able to have, you know, you can make the hole smaller. You could do a different type of lettuce. This way, you can maximize just one reservoir instead of having 9 plants in one. Maybe you could have more. You know what I mean? You could adapt to those little things. You could have a smaller light. But those are some of the things that are important on, for example, living off the grid, because this is, I think it's definitely sustainable. It's a lot more difficult due to the fact that the electricity capacity and capabilities will, you know, provide a negative impact on our whole growing atmosphere. But I think it's all capable. Now, what do you guys think? You know what I mean? If you feel the same, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. And also, give me the thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new, and hit that bell to get a notification every single time I upload a video. Oh man, so that's really it, guys. Hope your New Year's going well. Hope everybody's growing well. I need some. I definitely have to get some more lettuce. This way, we can just continue our journey here on growing inside. I mean, look at this thing. Look how it grows. Isn't that crazy? Has anybody ever tried to take like one lettuce stalk or whatever you'd call it, just one lettuce leaf, and just kind of putting it into some water or some sort of basin, and then seeing if this could actually develop a root system and then grow additional leaves? I mean, I don't know if that's possible, but these nodes, I mean, I've done it with basil. It's like cloning, but I don't know if it's possible with lettuce. But as you can see here, this is like the leaning tower of lettuce. I mean, look at this thing. What in the world is that? It's like a scarecrow. But anyway, guys, hey, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Really appreciate all your support. Again, if you're looking for any of these parts, they're all linked right down below. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share with your friends and family. That's what this is all about. Again, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Happy Friday, and I'll see you guys soon when all of this is cleared out and we have some fresh new goods laying all throughout here. Also, don't forget to leave me some comments. I want to hear from you guys on what you want to. Number one, maybe do you guys want to see another video of how to create a reservoir? Do you want to see a video of how to set up a grow tent in general? You know, some of my older videos, one of the biggest videos that I have is like an hour long, which is the full tutorial from A to Z on how to construct this, on how to make a reservoir, on how to germinate the seeds, how to plant the seeds into the rock wool. And that is one of my first videos. It's got well over 200,000 views. I mean, I haven't even checked how many views it's had at this point in time, but I think it's well over like 250,000 views. A lot of people find that video extremely beneficial to learn, or at least it's a stepping stone to an intermediate knowledge of understanding where, you know, how this all develops and what are the steps to take, again, from A to Z to maintain a beautiful indoor grower like this. This actually does, it looks pretty good from over here, but it is a freaking mess, I'll tell you that. Anyway, a lot of you guys internationally are always commenting, always sending me, you know, direct messages even to my email or through Facebook. How do I maintain this? Guys, hit that first video. These are just updates. This is what I do for fun. I just like to chat with you guys. I like to show you what I have and I like to just frequently just check in, see what's up, and show you what I got going on. That's really it. You know, there's no new techniques here, but some of the older videos they're priceless. Okay, people charge big money to teach you how to be able to sustain your own indoor grow. And I'm not talking about when things get hectic on the outside world, but you don't have to go anywhere to shop for your vegetables. You don't have to wonder where your piece of lettuce came from, probably 3,000 to 4,000 miles from your house, and it's probably been frozen 3 times and it's traveled all that time, and God knows what happened on that freight. Here, look at this. When it's beautiful, and when it's clean, there's no pests. It's wonderful. Anyway, I'm ranting way too long. We're past 10 minutes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. This is Mike for Grow Indoors 365. I'll catch you guys later.